Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get cheap data plans from MTN. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So before we dive into the video, my name is Ekene Michael. So if you're just coming across this YouTube page before, this is a place where I do talk about Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, and how you can get cheap data to do that. Us content creators that uses data to run our ads, we'll be needing to have a good data plan mindset so that we will not run out of data while having a good content to deliver. So if you're just coming across this YouTube channel, can you give me a thumbs up, smash that like button, and subscribe to the YouTube channel? So let's continue with the video. So I believe you all have seen videos on YouTube saying you can get data for free, you can get this one for free. Yes, you'll be asking, is this really true? Is it possible? Yes. Like the last video I watched of someone, he was talking about MTN educational bundles, and most of you people are falling for it because you think that you can use the MTN educational bundle to do everything data is used for. So today in this video we're going to find out, and you will see that MTN data bundle is not for everybody. So let's dive in, because the MTN bundles are how it is clarified by MTN that these bundles are educational bundles, and they are like curriculum for long-term facilities. That is for if you are not using the data for educational purpose, if you are not using it for educational sites, the MTN data bundle is not going to work. So which bundle am I talking about? The bundle I'm talking about is, if you have your phone, you can check it with me, star 344 hash. So look at it like this. This is the bundle, star 344 hash. Let's check what this bundle is all about. So when you dial the star 344 hash, you'll be seeing something like this. So you can see number 2 is educational bundle. Let me go ahead and click number 2 and press send. You will see it will show you something like this: buy educational bundles, view educational bundles balance. So what you need to do now is click number 1 to buy bundle. Let's see what is going to show us. So these are the plans. You can see it, the plans looks too good to be true. You can see 4 gig for 500 naira, that's for 30 days. You can see 1.2 gig for 150, that's 30 days. And you can see 500 MB for 250 MB for 25 gig. So most of you that are falling victim of this bundle, I've tried it. This bundle doesn't work on other sites apart from educational sites. So what are educational sites? There are various sites that is used, is like some like app, all those educational app, kids educational app. Those are the type of apps that this MP will be used for. Look at it, it's saying app only. So if you have any app that is for education, you can use this bundle to do it. So don't fall victim of this. This will not work for browsing and other ones you want to do. I know you're looking for cheap data, so don't worry. What we need to do now is to check this code I'm about to show you now. So this code, I don't know, I have 2 phones, and I try this code in both of my phone. It's working in this particular one, but it's not working in the one I'm using to do this video. Don't know why, but if you have your phone, you can check this with me. Maybe it will work on yours. Let's go ahead and dial star 121 hash. Look at it, star 121 hash, and press send. See, Here I'm having top deal, data for me, recharge for me, combo for me, and verse for me. What I need to do there is to click on number one. That's top deal. Number one, top deal. You can check yours, but this doesn't work on all my devices. It only works on this particular phone. Don't know why, don't know how it's doing that, but look at it. Enjoy 2 gig for 500 naira. So you can buy 2 gig for 500 naira with this *121. Don't worry if yours can do it. What you need to do now is when you take out your phone, text 155 to 133. So when you text 155 to 133, they will give you this option they are giving me here to buy 2 gig for 500 naira, or they'll give you option to buy 1 gig for 300 naira. So that's just basically it. So if you are low on money or low on cash, and you are trying to get as cheap as possible, you can also text 114 to 1313. When you text that, they will be giving you an option to buy 400 MB for 50 naira. So please and please do not fall for the victim of that educational bundles. Beware. So if this video was helpful, kindly give me a thumbs up. Okay, smash that subscribe button down below, and see you all in my next video. So